Hey everyone, it's Elsie here. I hope you're all well. So I have another Craftelier haul to share with you. Again, they contacted me and said, would I like to pick up some of their stuff? And I said yes, because I always buy from them and I absolutely love them. If you don't know and you didn't see my last unboxing, I'll link it in the top corner there. But they are a company based in Spain and they sell all kinds of crafty stuff, like scrapbooking stuff, like art supply stuff, you know, like traveler's notebooky, you know, journaling, things like that. They just sell everything. And because they're based in Europe, that means the shipping costs are really, really good. And yeah, it's obviously you don't get hit with customs fees or anything like that. So I absolutely love them. So they sent me a bit of a random mix of stuff, but stuff that I am really, really excited about. So all this stuff is stuff that I have basically picked myself, or it's stuff that I kind of said, like, you know, I'm really not fussed, I'd like this range. So it's all stuff that I've picked and it's all stuff that I genuinely love. So yeah, let's just get into the haul. So first up, I had to throw the box away because the box that it came in was beautifully packaged. And again, if you want to see how it's packaged, check out my last video, but the box was kind of big because of one of the items, so I had to put it in the recycling. But they always come beautifully packaged and everything is, you know, nothing is ever been damaged that I've got from them. And they always put a couple of little goodies in the bag. This one says imagination makes us infinite, which is just beautiful. I love the design of it as well, and you could even use this in like a pocket page and just cover up the branding if you want. And they always include a little love heart lollipop, which is just the best. So the first thing that I got, and the sort of big ticket item in this haul, is the WRMK Bloom Storage, and I got the white one. It's just one of those things where I was like, is it a bit of a gimmick or is it actually useful? And it's actually useful. It's amazing. And it's just perfect for all those little bits and pieces that I always have floating around on my desk and they just don't have a place and they end up on the floor, you know, because they're messy and all that. And now it's all packaged in this beautiful little flower. And I filmed my organising it, and I'll leave it timestamp in case you want to go straight to that and watch that. But just as a little sneak peek, look at it! It's just so great. So yeah, and then it all neatly folds up when I want to shut it and it doesn't move or anything like that. And there's a thing at the top which I've just put some spare needles in because I'm always losing needles as well. And just in case anyone has a blonde moment like me, I spent way longer than I should have thinking this was broken because I was twisting the top bit thinking that's how you opened it, and it's not. You open it with the first flower. Just thought I'd let you know that just in case anyone has a blonde moment like I did. So Craftelier actually said to me, we want to send you some Tombow markers, and I was like, yes please, because I don't know about you, but I'm obsessed with bullet journaling videos and I always have Tombow markers and I'm just like, oh, really want some. And they asked me what colours I would like, and I said I'm not fussed, I like any colours apart from browns because I knew I wouldn't really use them. So they sent me 4 of the most gorgeous pastel colours. They just know me. And they came in this really handy little pouch, which is great because you buy the Tombow markers individually. These ones don't come in a set. And yeah, it was just nice that they were all packaged in something like this, you know what I mean. Because yeah, it just kept them all together and it didn't like knock any of the lids off or anything like that. So I've done a little swatch, I was all prepared, and this is what they look like. And as you can see, they're just the most beautiful pastel colours. And then they asked me what else I wanted from their website, and I said, well, I'm obsessed with the new Distress Oxides. I've got quite a few of them anyway that I also got from Craftelier, but I haven't got any of the new shades. So they sent me 3. They sent me Shaded Lilac, which is the one I really, really wanted. Squeezed Lemonade, which is another one I really, really wanted. And Evergreen Bough, which I didn't think I needed, but I've seen so many people do really amazing colour combinations with the evergreen bough, so I'm really excited to use that. And I had a little swatch and play around with them and spritz them with water, and yeah, just the shaded lilac is just gorgeous. It's like this amazing purpley blue, periwinkle blue colour, and the yellow is just so yellow. It's great because the other yellows that they had before were like very orangey yellow, so I'm really happy to have a bright yellow. And yeah, like this is a very rich green, but I really, really love it. It would be good for like flowers and things like that. So I can't wait to use these and have a play with them in my art journals. And the last thing was the Dina Whiteley washi tape, and I think she has two new sets out, and I'm not sure what this one is. It doesn't have any any indication of what set this is, but I'll leave a link to it below. And I am slightly obsessed with these washi tapes. They look like they've been taken out of an art journal, so they've got loads of texture and layers on them. And yeah, this is what they all look like at a glance. Yeah, I especially love the top one, these scallops, and I don't know whether it will pick it up, but there is like stitching. Dina's obviously stitched in her journal, and it's got like the stitching in there, and that's just a really cool detail, I think. And yeah, I'm getting more and more into art journaling, so yeah, I'll definitely be using this. It's a great way to add texture without having to do all the layers and all the drying, because I hate that. So yeah, and that's everything. So thank you so much to Craftelier for sending me all this stuff. As I said, links will be in the description below, and keep on watching if you want to see how I organised my Bloom storage. Bye everyone.
I've been seeking for the glory. Say my name. And I've been trying to write my own story in the search for fame. I'm sitting here in this empty room. Walls keep tumbling down. 'Cause I ain't got nobody. I always feel so lonely when the day is through. I'm in the spotlight, not home till midnight. I want somebody to hold my hand. 'Cause I got my head in the clouds, but I'm getting really scared of heights. I used to spend time with all my friends, but who's gonna like me if I'm not there? 'Cause I got my head in the clouds, but I'm getting really scared of heights. I try to get everyone to see me. I play my games, but I just end up looking like a showcase. I haven't myself to blame. I'm sitting here in this empty room. Walls keep tumbling down. 'Cause I ain't got nobody. So lonely when the day is through. I'm in the spotlight, not home till midnight. I want somebody to hold my hand. 'Cause I got my head in the clouds, but I'm getting really scared of heights. I used to spend time with all my friends, but who's gonna like me if I'm not there? 'Cause I got my head in the clouds, but I'm getting really scared of heights. Ooh, ooh, I'm getting really scared of heights. Ooh, ooh, I'm getting really scared of heights. I'm in the spotlight, not until midnight. I want somebody to hold my hand. 'Cause I got my head in the clouds, but I'm getting really scared of heights. I used to spend time with all my friends, but who's gonna like me if I'm not there? 'Cause I got my head in the clouds, but I'm getting really scared of heights.